इस धड़क की धड़कन को हमारे तक पहुंचाने के लिए ना कुछ लोग हैं जिनका बहुत बड़ा साथ रहा है हमारे साथ। तो शालू, लगता क्या है कि is it time to talk about our sponsors?
Absolutely. You know, Dhadak is all about love, and various biggest supporters of love are here in the audience today. So we're going to call them on the stage, celebrate them, yes. Celebrate love, and we would like for you guys to put your hands together for all our wonderful sponsors. Starting with Haider Construction. Haider Khan is here in the audience.
Haider, please come on stage. Haider Khan.
Haider Construction has been involved in the building of many beautiful homes in the area.
Are you there?
He is.
Haider is one guy I think who doesn't want so much of limelight.
हाँ, वो आ गए हैं. चलिए, उनको हम आपके सामने लेकर आएंगे because he is also a singer for Dhadak today, so he will be here.
Absolutely.
Alright, let's move on, please.
All right. Coming up next.
हमारे दूसरे स्पॉन्सर हैं नुपुर गुप्ता.
Nupur, please come on stage.
She's not just a trusted realtor who helps families find their dream homes, but also someone who truly believes in the power of art and music and to bring people together.
Her support is instrumental in making this celebration of love and music possible.
For 20
Give it up for Nupur, everybody. Thank you for supporting our show.
इतनी सुंदर लेडी आ रही है, उनके लिए फूल फूल हो जाए, तालियां वालियां हो जाए अपने नूपुर गुप्ता जी के लिए. Very good. Thank you, Nupur. Now this next one.
Thank you.
Is a
Can
special
you have
one.
the slide for Nupur, please?
Yes.
LED team, thank you.
Very
Yeah, just
nice.
have for Nupur. Thanks. Now next.
Next, one of my personal favorites. We have two amazing women from Building Women Empowered, Renu Dhillon and Namrata Randhawa. Please come on the stage.
Renu ji and Nam, please.
What powerful ladies, powerhouses, absolutely. Their mission, they say, is very simple: to create a powerful global triad of empowered women, empowering women.
And they are my family. They are not just, they are really my family. Thank you so much for supporting me all.
I know. Put your hands together. Yeah. That's their slide. Fabulous. Thank you, Renu. Look beautiful as always. Namrata, amazing. Love you.
कोशिश कीजिए आपकी ताली थोड़ी बहुत बजती रहे यार. इनकी वजह से ही
यार मैं बताऊं, जो लोग इश्क का सपोर्ट करते हैं उसके लिए पब्लिक ऐसे ही कंजूसी से ताली बजाती है. नहीं? Okay, prove me wrong.
चलिए, अब हमारे अगले स्पॉन्सर जिनको हम बुलाना चाहेंगे is PNG Jewelers, आशुतोष जोशी.
Ashutosh, please come.
Over the years, PNG Jewelers has been incredibly successful in enduring the beauty of traditions with a comprehensive product range of classic and contemporary jewelry. So, with a user-friendly shopping experience, we aim to fulfill our customers' shopping. That's what they say. So, we have to make sure that this online shopping gets much more convenient and delightful from the comfort of a couch. ये हैं आशुतोष जोशी.
Yeah, he's not here. PNG Jewelers, उनके बिहार पे हम दोनों गोल्ड के कपड़े पहन के आ गए हैं. Next, Miles for Less. Nick Advani is here.
Yeah, no, he's not here. He's vacationing. But yes, thank you, Nick.
Your premier destination for hassle-free car leasing solutions tailored for your needs.
और अगले स्पॉन्सर हमारे हैं Red Hot Chili Pepper Fremont.
They're also
Robbie.
They're also
Where the vibrant flavors of India meet the bold spices of China in a culinary fusion like no other.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. They're not here. Vora Brothers from Fast and Easy Group, the largest gas station owners in Central California. Fast and Easy is your ultimate one-stop destination, offering premium gas stations, a top-notch car wash experience, making convenience their top priority. They're also the proud owners of Almond Farms. Put your hands together for Vora Brothers, everybody.
Kanika, is it time for the next one?
Yes.
Do we call? Okay,
Yes.
ठीक है. तो हमारे अगले स्पॉन्सर हैं जिनका नाम लेना चाहते हैं Flamingo Palace Banquet Hall, Arya Dining and Banquets and Touch of Elegance Decor. हमारे पास उनकी तरफ से रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले प्रदीप पॉल. Do we see Pradeep Paul here?
Pradeep ji, are you there or maybe not? अरे आज का dinner is catering and snacks are brought.
Okay. तो मेरे ख्याल से वो हमारे डिनर के लिए इतना मेक श्योर कर रहे हैं कि हमें बिल्कुल
well fed. अन्नदाता सुखी भव.
Absolutely.
Coming up next is Kay Walia and Sharon Gill from SGI. They're into real estate, investments and healthcare companies. Put your hands together for Kay Walia and Sharon Gill.
They are not here.
Are they not here? Next up, one of my favorites, Poonam Bajaj from Sitare TV is here. She is the media partner for Dhadak. Poonam ji. Oh, of course. Poonam ji, where are you? She's mostly behind the camera. Oh, there I see her.
पूनम जी के बगैर वैसे काम ये हो नहीं पाएगा. हमको वैसे भी अगर आगे और अच्छे इंटरव्यू
नहीं, footage नहीं मिलेगी. नहीं, footage नहीं मिलेगी. तो definitely, Poonam ji, you're my best friend for the evening. Then we also have.
दोस्तों एक सेकंड. लगता है थोड़ा सा और शांत हो गए.
हाँ.
थोड़ी बहुत फिर से ना अगर याद करना पड़े तालियां हैं. अच्छा लग रहा है.
याद करने वाले. Yes, exactly. Coming up next is Raja Singh from King Studio Photography, our digital media partner for Dhadak. Guys, you have to follow him. He is not only an amazing photographer, he makes excellent Instagram reels. You have to check him out. And he's a hottie. काफी सारी पंजाबी औरतें उसके पीछे पड़ी रहती हैं.
And he's a very dear friend and a very strong supporter.
Show us your best moves, Raja. जिसका नाम ही राजा हो, प्यार से कैसे बुलाएंगे? Raja, you're here on the stage.
और हमारे नेक्स्ट स्पॉन्सर हैं Vaidehi from Chai Shai, our chai vendor for Dhadak. I think if I'm not wrong, I know I've worked with Vaidehi in I think a couple of years ago and wonderful experience. और Vaidehi अभी हमारे साथ है. Very wonderful host.
Thank you.
चाय के शौकीन कितने लोग हैं भाई? उनको तो ताली बजा देनी चाहिए. That's right.
चाय सबको पसंद है.
Another cutie in the audience, one of my favorites, Arpita Wangvi Babu from Spokane. The art people is here.
All the decorations, the welcome, the hearts that came up with me.
Powerhouse of a woman who's been running her business for such a long time.
I just had to tell her that Arpi, this is my vision. This is what I need. And it was really done before I could, it was right. My dream was right in front of my eyes. She made it happen. When I was at home, she was working tirelessly. मुझे खटिया चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. तो बोल, मैं कर दूँगी. So she is my army. I have so many women behind me supporting me. I feel so blessed.
Put your hands together. Arpita, तूने कनिका की खटिया खड़ी कर दी.
Thank you. Can I have a bouquet, please? Thank you, Alan. Thank you.
You have to visit her store in Milpitas, guys. It is like
And so stylish. Look at her. Oh my God.
I know.
I don't know how I missed it, but next time मुझे भी ध्यान रखना है.
Definitely. Milpitas, Pandal, remember.
और हमारे next sponsor है Sonal Sehgal from Salon Frenzy.
Woo!
Sonal.
Hottie. All right. Hottie आ रही है.
आजा, please come here.
जब सारी hotties का नाम लिया
और
तो.
मैं खुद सोच रही रातों रात इतने पैसों के बाद.
I know.
Courtesy so.
अरे जिन लोगों को बालों में थोड़ी डिपार्टमेंट में थोड़ी हेल्प चाहिए, please reach out to Sonal.
Yes, please.
Yeah, you guys don't know, but शो से पहले मैं गंजी थी.
वैसे इनको देख के ऐसा लगता भी नहीं है कि यार ये ना फैशन या हेयर स्टाइलिंग में सब कुछ है यार. फार्मासिस्ट रही है, खूबसूरती कहीं कमी नहीं रही है तो बनता क्या है.
Now that we've been announcing the names of all the hotties, we cannot forget Anjana Rajgopalan. Not only is she designing the gorgeous costumes which Kanika is wearing, she's also the stage director behind the scenes. Put your hands together for the gorgeous Anjana Rajgopalan.
Thank you for the strong support. या इतनी जो जल्दी आप मुझे देख रहे हैं, costume stage करके आते हैं. Thanks to all the strong support and help that she's giving me during this. Thank you, Anjana, for it.
हमारे next sponsor है Siva from SP Silicon Photography. Siva यहाँ पे है.
Siva, please come. Thank you. We are going to see the magic soon.
Siva is our photography and videography partner for Dhadak.
Yes.
Siva, please come in.
SP Silicon Photography. Next up, we have Toril Chopra from TC Urban Couture, our costume partner for Dhadak. Look at this. All the costumes, gorgeous
Toral,
costumes.
please come on stage. Toral, thank you for
Toral,
the
please
stunning
join us.
outfits for me.
Yes, they specialize in custom design outfits for brides, grooms, bridesmaids, groommaid, and the entire bridal party.
Toral, are you there? Okay, maybe not.
Okay. Next up, Nivedita and Ragini from My Positivity Matters, the most positive people in the Bay Area. For clarity, purpose and a sense of fulfillment, look no further. My Positivity Matters, live events, online courses and coaching programs help people to create lives that they absolutely love living. So if you're looking for a life coach, they're the people to reach out to.
So Nivedita and Ragini, who do we have here?
Please come on the stage, look at that. Ragini, you look beautiful. I love the color. Yeah, this stage mein na, there's too much of beauty.
I know.
Too much.
So यहाँ
आँखें भरा रही.
I know. Seriously, run with pure colors and so much beauty here.
My Positivity Matters. And of course, we have Ritu Singh from Ritu Singh Dance Company, the sizzling dancers you saw on the stage.
और हमारे अगले स्पॉन्सर जॉनी एंड जिया फ्रॉम जॉनी एंड जिया डांस कंपनी. They are also our partners for Dhadak. है अभी हमारे साथ कौन है?
आ गए. There you are.
Thank you for the strong support.
और last but not the least, Farah Khwaja from Azari Motorsports. Farah यहाँ पे है हमारे साथ.
Farah.
Come on, Farah. Come on, join us on the stage.
Johnny.
Farah Khwaja. Oh. I can see. I think I can see. Yes. He's here.
No, yes, you have to come.
Like
You supported me, Farah, and voluntarily. I did not. So one thing, I really didn't go to anybody. Everybody tried to, help me. My friends were like, "Nee, we'll get you. They were like, "Say, nee, it's okay, I'll do it. Nee, we'll help you." I was such beautiful friends, and Farah. She messaged me when she was on vacation, and she's like, "Girl, I want to support you." And I'm like, "Oh, very generous. Oh, please. There are some people who I want to acknowledge, but they are so special. उनको मैं show के आखिर तक, preserve करके रखना चाहती हूँ. But I will, yes, I have so much to talk about them कि right now it's not enough. But yes, Edwin, can you please come on stage?
Go, Edwin! Come on, Edwin!
अभी नहीं?
अरे एडविन भाई पीछे रह के काम
Edwin Praneet Singh, I want each and every one of you to please तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. तालियां रुकनी नहीं.
Go, Edwin! Go, Edwin!
My dreams would not have been possible without him. Yes, he is just a dear friend and so much talented and so supportive. क्या बोलना है? But I don't have words. Yes, oh my God. And then you both, yes, thank you. And Abdul, thank you so much. पूरी team V-Days. Yes, so show अभी बाकी है. कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई है. हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें. We have a
picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Yes, let's get a picture. Yes, I'll come.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
Okay.